I yield myself the balance of the time. Yeah, the gentleman from Virginia is right. It would be easier to try them under military commissions. Heck, it'd be easier not to try them at all. It'd be easier just to hold them forever. You know, why bother with the trial? Why bother with the trials? Because of over 200 years of history in this country, that we do have a fair justice system, and that does matter. Military generals will tell you that Guantanamo Bay has been a major problem for them in the field, a major recruiting tool for our enemies because it undermines our values. Having a justice system that we can depend on matters. I trust everyone on that side would agree on that. That it's not just a matter of what's easiest to hold them. If that was the case, we wouldn't have courts at all, we wouldn't have military tribunals, we wouldn't have anything. We'd just hold them. So it does matter. And I will also point out that, yes, the gentleman was acquitted of a whole bunch of charges. He was also convicted and sentenced to life in our Article III courts. So the system worked in that case. We have over 200 years of history with our Article III courts, and they have worked. And by the way, the Constitution, as ruled by the court, applies in Guantanamo Bay. Habeas corpus was attached. It does apply there. They don't suddenly get constitutional rights coming here that they didn't have before. I will agree on one point. The scare campaign from last year certainly worked. People are afraid of the notion of bringing Guantanamo Bay inmates to this country, but they shouldn't be. As has been pointed out, over 300 of them, including Ramzi Youssef, the architect of the first attack on the World Trade Centers, is held here in the United States of America, safely and without incident. We are tossing aside 200 years of constitutional and judicial history for no good reason. That is not a good idea. Let's give the President the option he needs to bring terrorists to justice within our systems of values. The thing about our system of values, it works. We need to stop implying that somehow our Constitution doesn't work to protect us. It absolutely does, and it's for over 200 years. I urge support for this amendment.
Gentleman's time has expired.